So you're a woman and you need to know how to get it on like a pro. Well, don't you worry, because this is the perfect video for you. Now, there are many positions, but they all have the same core philosophy, so we'll just cover the one. Go ahead and lay down on the bed. There you go. Nice and slow. Good. Now, the first thing you'll need to do when getting it on is lay there. Good. Okay, don't move. Good. Now, this is a pretty important part. You gotta make sure you keep laying there. Fantastic. You're so natural at this. I'm really impressed. Good, now stay still. Excellent. You seem to really know what you're doing. Okay, lay there. Lay there. Almost there. Keep laying. Do nothing. Stay still. Don't move at all. There you go. Completely limp. Imagine you're a log floating down the river. Great. Great. Super. Okay, you're all done. Now you know how to get it on like a pro. Wonderful job. Okay, let's move on to the male gender. Hello. I see you're a man. Now you'll be doing 99% of all the work, so are you ready for your 7-hour tutorial on sex? Oh, shut up. You love it. Now let's get started.